Details. Meanwhile, some news coming in from the national capital. Delhi Power Minister Ashish Sood has held an important meeting with senior officials of energy and power companies at Delhi Secretariat. The meeting focused on the implementation of the Summer Action Plan 2025. The Power Department and all stakeholders were instructed to take immediate and effective measures to ensure uninterrupted power supply as the summer season approaches. Ashish Sood also mentioned the vision of developing a model colony in Delhi where overhead power cables are not hanging and all wires are properly organized. He further stated that discussions were held with officials regarding removing any unauthorized cables or wires or other companies from electricity poles to reduce the load on the poles and eliminate tangled wiring. Additionally, the Power Minister instructed officials to ensure that if any power grid fails in any part of the Delhi, repairs must be completed within a maximum number of 5 minutes to prevent any disruption in electricity supply to residents. He has also said that review meetings of the Power Department will be held every 15 days to assess the progress on decisions taken in previous meetings and ensure their implementation. Let's in fact listen in to what he said.
समर एक्शन प्लान के रिव्यू के लिए आज सभी वितरण कंपनियों के साथ, सभी डिस्कॉम्स के साथ और दिल्ली ट्रांसको के अधिकारियों के साथ गहन चर्चा हुई है। हम इस बात के लिए प्रतिबद्ध हैं कि इस बार गर्मी में किसी किस्म की दिक्कत दिल्ली की जनता को नहीं आनी चाहिए। पीपल शुड गेट अनइंटरप्टेड पावर सप्लाई, दे शुड गेट क्वालिटी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और इसमें दिल्ली की सरकार प्रतिबद्ध है हर प्रकार का साधन उपलब्ध कराने के लिए। हमने आज बिजली कंपनियों की तैयारियों की जायजा लिया है, उनके पावर परचेज एग्रीमेंट्स का जायजा लिया है और हम इस बात के लिए प्रतिबद्ध हैं कि हर तरीके से अनइंटरप्टेड पावर सप्लाई इस गर्मी लोगों को मिले।
We have with us my colleague Mehndi Garg joining us on the telecast. Mehndi, in terms of this major initiatives and action plan that is being taken and discussion that is being held in regards of the summer action plans, what are the details that are coming in?
Well, indeed, Delhi Power Minister Ashish Sood held a very important meeting yesterday with all the senior officials to implement this Summer Action Plan 2025. And not only, this is the first meet, but a series of meeting has already happened that Ashish Sood has done with the senior officials of the particular departments. And this, in this particular meeting, it was directed to the senior officials that the Summer Action Plan for 2025 should be, directed with immediate effect in the national capital. And also, Ashish Sood said that the Delhi government is committed to ensure smooth and uninterrupted power supply in the city. And not only this, Delhi's Power Minister Ashish Sood chaired this meeting ahead of the summers that are approaching right now and to, combat the problems, the big power cuts and also the cable wires that are open, in the streets of the national capital. So in that also, the meeting focused on the implementation of the Summer Action Plan, and the Power Department and all the stakeholders are now instructed to take immediate and effective measures to, ensure the uninterrupted power supply as summer season approaches. And not only this, the Power Minister also stated that during this important meeting, several directives were issued to, ensure the smooth and regular power supply in Delhi during summer season. And not only this, the stakeholders were instructed to begin immediate implementation of this Summer Action Plan. And Ashish Sood, also emphasized that supply for all residents across Delhi is a key agenda of the Delhi government. And after the meeting also, as we heard Ashish Sood's statement, so he also mentioned that the vision of developing a model colony in Delhi where overhead power cables are not hanging and all wires are properly organized. So this is also one of the agendas of the Power Minister Ashish Sood. And he also further said that in the discussions, that in the meetings that has happened, the officials, with the officials rather, regarding removing any unauthorized cables or wires of other companies from electricity poles to, reduce the load on the poles, and also the to, eliminate the tangled wiring. So yes, we can say that Power Minister Ashish Sood is on his toes right now to implement the Summer Action Plan 2025.
All right,
Yes.
Mehndi, stay with us. We have further